Hello Macaulay. Welcome to our channel. Today nama, Maruti Suzuki Vitara Brezza Auto Review Pakalam. First nama engine and transmission Pathi Pakalam. Engine type Pathing and a K15B petrol engine. Engine displacement Pathing and a 1462 cubic centimeters. Fuel type Pathing and a petrol only. Max power output Pathing and a 103.26 bhp at 6000 rpm. Emission norm Pathing and a BS6 Kuda Thurakanga. Max torque 138 Nm at 4400 rpm. Number of cylinders 4. Transmission. Manual and automatic Kuda Thurakanga. Gearbox 5-speed. Drive type Pathing and a FWD paddle shift not available in Vitara Brezza. Curb weight 1110 to 1130 kilograms. Next performance and fuel economy Pathi Pakalam. Mileage, Array, 17.03 kmpl. Next brakes, steering, suspension and tires Pathi Pakalam. Suspension front McPherson strut with coil spring. Suspension rear torsion beam with coil spring. Brakes front ventilated disc. Brakes rear drum. Steering type electronic. Minimum turning radius 5.2 meters. Tire size 205/60 R16. Wheel size R16. Tire type tubeless radial. Next interior dimensions Pathi Pakalam. Seating capacity 5. Doors 5. Boot space 328 liters. Fuel capacity 48 liters. Next nama variants and price tag Pathi Pakalam. LXI variant Pathing and a around 7.51 rupees lakh. VXI variant Pathing and a around 8.57 rupees lakh. ZXI variant Pathing and a around 9.32 rupees lakh. ZXI Plus variant Pathing and a around 9.85 rupees lakh. ZXI Plus dual tone variant Pathing and a around 9.99 rupees lakh. Next walk around view Pakalam. Next interior view Pakalam. This is Vinu Chakravarti signing off. Thank you. Save trees, save motoring.